Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your profile on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on this three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here as you see you will find here share profile. Click on it, and here you can easily share your profile on any application here, and that's how to share your profile, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.